Morning habits.
You reach for the phone. The screen is too bright. Start speaking with me, now. The alarm is ringing,
The alarm is ringing,
but I don't want to move.
but I don't want to move.
Just follow the rhythm. I need to wake up.
I need to wake up.
I need to get out of bed.
I need to get out of bed.
It's so cold outside the blankets.
It's so cold outside the blankets.
Something feels different now. Stay with this. I hit the snooze button.
I hit the snooze button.
Just 5 more minutes.
Just 5 more minutes.
I always say 5 more minutes.
I always say 5 more minutes.
But it's never just 5 minutes.
But it's never just 5 minutes.
You're getting faster. Keep going. Okay, I'm up.
Okay, I'm up.
I'm sitting on the edge of the bed,
I'm sitting on the edge of the bed,
rubbing my eyes,
rubbing my eyes,
trying to wake up.
trying to wake up.
Let it flow. I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my back.
I stretch my back.
And I finally stand up.
And I finally stand up.
That was clean. Now we move to the bathroom. Feel the sentence. I turn on the light.
I turn on the light.
It's too bright.
It's too bright.
I turn on the water,
I turn on the water,
waiting for it to get warm.
waiting for it to get warm.
Wait, feel that? The sentence is getting longer. I splash water on my face
I splash water on my face
to wake myself up.
to wake myself up.
I grab my toothbrush
I grab my toothbrush
and put some toothpaste on it.
and put some toothpaste on it.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
Don't think, just let the words out. I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
I look tired,
I look tired,
but I'm ready for the day.
but I'm ready for the day.
Most people drop here. You don't. Stay with me. We're going to the kitchen. The house is completely quiet.
The house is completely quiet.
I walk into the kitchen.
I walk into the kitchen.
First things first.
First things first.
I need coffee.
I need coffee.
Say it like you mean it. I really need coffee.
I really need coffee.
I turn on the coffee maker.
I turn on the coffee maker.
I can smell it already.
I can smell it already.
That smell wakes me up.
That smell wakes me up.
You didn't stop this time. Perfect. While the coffee is brewing,
While the coffee is brewing,
I open the fridge.
I open the fridge.
What should I have for breakfast?
What should I have for breakfast?
Maybe just some toast.
Maybe just some toast.
Or maybe some eggs.
Or maybe some eggs.
I'll just have toast today.
I'll just have toast today.
Now it starts to feel real. I pour the coffee into my favorite mug.
I pour the coffee into my favorite mug.
It's hot.
It's hot.
I take the first sip.
I take the first sip.
Exactly what I needed.
Exactly what I needed.
Now we speed up. Someone walks in, a roommate, a partner, react. Morning.
Morning.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
Not really.
Not really.
I kept waking up.
I kept waking up.
What about you?
What about you?
That sounded smoother. Keep the rhythm going. What's the plan for today?
What's the plan for today?
I have a lot of work to do.
I have a lot of work to do.
I have a meeting at 10.
I have a meeting at 10.
And then I need to go to the store.
And then I need to go to the store.
Are you working from home today?
Are you working from home today?
Yeah, I'll be here all day.
Yeah, I'll be here all day.
This part is subtle. Notice the change in time. The morning is moving. I look at the clock.
I look at the clock.
It's already 8 o'clock.
It's already 8 o'clock.
Time is flying.
Time is flying.
I need to get dressed.
I need to get dressed.
I can't stay in my pajamas all day,
I can't stay in my pajamas all day.
even if I want to.
Even if I want to.
Now faster. You're slightly rushed. Where are my keys?
Where are my keys?
I swear I left them right here.
I swear I left them right here.
This always happens.
This always happens.
Every single morning.
Every single morning.
Oh, there they are.
Oh, there they are.
Under the mail.
Under the mail.
That shift, that's important. You felt the stress there. Now grab your things. I grab my bag.
I grab my bag.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I double check my phone.
I double check my phone.
Wallet, keys, phone.
Wallet, keys, phone.
Got everything.
Got everything.
This is rare. You're speaking without translating now. Feel it. I lock the front door.
I lock the front door.
The air is fresh outside.
The air is fresh outside.
It's going to be a good day.
It's going to be a good day.
I start the car,
I start the car,
or I walk to the station.
or I walk to the station.
Either way, my day has started.
Either way, my day has started.
Slow it down. I am awake now.
I am awake now.
My mind is clear.
My mind is clear.
I know what I need to do.
I know what I need to do.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Let it out. Final push. No more rushing.
No more rushing.
I take a deep breath,
I take a deep breath,
and I go.
and I go. That felt different, didn't it?
You stayed longer this time.
You've been practicing with us.
This is the English Mint Podcast,
I'm Adam.
and I'm Hannah.
If you felt progress,
There's something waiting below,
not just listening,
something you can actually use.
take it if you're serious. Tell us, where did it feel easier?
Or where did you hesitate? We read everything.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
See you next time.